Welcome to our captivating YouTube house design tour of a 4-bedroom house. This single-story masterpiece embodies the perfect blend of modern simplicity and timeless elegance, offering a tranquil and sophisticated living space that is sure to leave you inspired and enamored. As you step onto the inviting entrance terrace, you will immediately feel the charm and allure of this classic design. The meticulously crafted facade sets the tone for what awaits within a harmonious fusion of contemporary elements with the enduring charm of classic architecture. Experience the epitome of modern simplicity and classic charm in this exquisite one-story house design. Join us on this YouTube tour and be inspired by the seamless blend of contemporary aesthetics and timeless appeal. Embrace the serenity and grace of this 4-bedroom haven, where simple elegance meets exceptional living. Don't miss this opportunity to explore the beauty of architectural brilliance and envision your dream home come to life. Get ready to immerse yourself in the enchanting world of modern simplicity and classic allure. Once inside, the living room welcomes you with its clean lines, abundant natural light, and a seamless flow that creates an inviting atmosphere. This space is not only aesthetically pleasing but also functional, catering to your relaxation and entertainment needs. Adjacent to the living room, the dining room is a visual delight. With its understated elegance and stylish furnishings, it beckons you to sit down and savor delightful meals with friends and family. Whether it's a formal dinner or a casual gathering, this room effortlessly accommodates your needs. The powder room, thoughtfully placed on the main floor, adds a touch of convenience and luxury to the living areas. Prepare to be awestruck as you enter the heart of the house, the modern kitchen. Equipped with top-of-the-line appliances and featuring sleek countertops, this culinary haven caters to your inner chef's every desire. Connected to the kitchen is a serene kitchen terrace, where you can enjoy a cup of coffee or indulge in al fresco dining, surrounded by lush greenery and a soothing ambience. Practicality meets style in the laundry room and pantry, ensuring that your daily chores are not only easy but also aesthetically pleasing. Abundant storage space keeps everything organized, allowing you to maintain the elegant and uncluttered look of the house. The family room, thoughtfully positioned, serves as a cozy retreat where you can unwind, watch movies, or simply spend quality time with your loved ones. The soothing decor and comfortable seating make it the perfect place to create lasting memories with family and friends. Now, let's venture into the sanctuary of the house, the 4 ensuite bedrooms. Each bedroom is a haven of tranquility, designed to offer the utmost comfort and privacy. The minimalist yet stylish decor creates a soothing ambience, ensuring a restful night's sleep and a rejuvenating start to each day. The ensuite bathrooms continue the theme of simplicity and elegance, featuring modern fixtures and luxurious amenities for your relaxation. We want to extend our heartfelt gratitude to all our viewers for joining us on this enchanting YouTube house design tour of the 4-bedroom house. Your presence and interest in exploring this architectural masterpiece with us are truly appreciated. We hope that you found inspiration in the seamless fusion of modern simplicity and timeless elegance presented throughout the tour. From the inviting entrance terrace to the tranquil ensuite bedrooms, every corner of this house has been meticulously designed to offer a serene and sophisticated living experience. As you envision your dream home, we hope that the elegance and charm of this design will stay with you, inspiring your own creative ideas and future projects. Thank you once again for being a part of this journey, and we look forward to welcoming you back for more captivating tours in the future. Until then, may you continue to seek beauty and grace in the world of architecture and design. Happy house hunting!